name is Devon. Welcome to DT Agape Autos and Services, where we specialize in auto diagnostic scan and repairs. We are located at 10 Balmoral Avenue, Kingston 10, and our opening hours are Mondays to Fridays, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Today's automobiles are highly technologically driven, and an auto diagnostic scan is the most precise and efficient way to determine the root causes of auto troubles. So if you're having auto troubles, if there's a check light on your dashboard, if you are about to purchase a used automobile, a diagnostic scan is highly recommended. Come on down to DT Agape Autos and Services. We will take care of your total auto needs. Call us at 489-4328 or 488-5008 or 541-3262. Remember, at DT Agape, we don't guess, we diagnose.